Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find hidden subscriptions in Rocket Money. So to find hidden subscriptions in this app, you will need to make sure all of your payment accounts are connected and then review the app's recurring charges section. So the Rocket Money automatically scans linked accounts for recurring payments and subscriptions. So actually guys, first you will need to open the recurring tab. So to do that you will need to launch the Rocket Money, and then it's something like a calendar icon that you can find inside the settings on at the top right corner, the gear icon. So right there, as you can see, it's I have only two options here, the profile and the help and privacy. So actually you will need at first to have the subscription of that app. So right then and only then you can find the calendar icon or the recurring tab, right? So just go ahead and tap on it and check both upcoming and all views to see detected subscriptions and bills, right? And also guys, you all need to check the inactive list. So many hidden subscriptions end up in the inactive section at the bottom of the recurring tab. So these are recurring charges that haven't been detected recently, and if a new payment is detected, Rocket Money automatically moves them back to active. Also guys, you will need to link every payment account. So a common reason subscription are missed is that the payment source isn't connected. So make sure you have linked the checking account, the saving accounts if used for payments, the credit cards, and the debit cards used for subscriptions, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.